Unraveling, faint hope, understanding its use in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel where we aim to unlock the mysteries of the English language for you. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore: faint hope. We'll look into what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples so you can understand it thoroughly and start using it yourself. So let's dive in and shed some light on this expressive part of the English vocabulary. The phrase, faint hope, refers to a slim chance or slight possibility that something positive will happen. It's used when the likelihood seems low but not completely impossible. The word, faint, in this context means weak, dim, or lacking strength, while hope refers to the feeling of expectation for a certain thing to happen. Together, they convey the sense of clinging to a possibility, even when the odds aren't in one's favor. Faint hope can be used in a variety of situations, from everyday conversations to more formal discussions. It often finds its place in subjects involving challenges, long shots, or against the odds situations. In casual conversation, I have a faint hope that I'll find my lost ring in the park. In news and reporting, the search team has only a faint hope of finding survivors after so many days. In literature and speeches, despite the difficulties, she held on to a faint hope that things would get better. To better understand how faint hope is used in context, let's look at a few examples. After the team lost the first 4 matches, the fans had only a faint hope of a comeback. He applied to many universities abroad with the faint hope that one would accept him despite his average scores. There's a faint hope that we can still win the game if everything goes perfectly from here. Using synonyms can help avoid repetition and enrich your language. Some synonyms for faint hope are slim chance, outside possibility, long shot, remote possibility. You can use these synonyms depending on the tone and formality of your communication. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, faint hope. We hope this explanation sheds some light on how to use the phrase and in what contexts. Remember, language learning is a journey of continuous discovery, and every new phrase you learn opens up a world of expression. Keep practicing, and don't give up, even if it's with only a faint hope of becoming fluent. You'll get there. Catch you in the next video, and happy learning!